Tilly's Starry Night. Tilly loved to watch the stars at night. One evening she noticed a particularly bright star twinkling at her. Curious, she made a wish, hoping to meet it. Suddenly, a gentle voice whispered, "I'm here." Tilly was surprised to see a tiny star floating beside her. "I'm Twinkle, and I heard your wish," said the star with a bright smile. Tilly and Twinkle spent the night talking about dreams and adventures. Twinkle shared stories of distant galaxies and magical places. Tilly listened in awe, feeling inspired by the star's tales. "I want to explore the world too," she exclaimed. Twinkle smiled. "You can. Just believe in your dreams." When morning arrived, Twinkle said goodbye, promising to always be there when Tilly looked up at the night sky. Tilly felt a spark of determination inside her. From that day forward, she started a dream journal, writing down all her hopes and adventures. Tilly learned that dreams could lead her to incredible places, and with a little belief, anything was possible. Every night she looked up at the stars, feeling connected to her friend Twinkle, ready to chase her dreams.